This is a drone show put on by aerial display company Celestial, and while the performances they put on are spectacular light shows in the sky, much like fireworks are, these are not just for entertainment. The company has partnered with environmental organization Greenpeace to raise awareness about the problems with fireworks. This is John Hopkins, co-founder of Celestial and one of the leaders of the project.
So our goal at Celestial is to supersede fireworks. We love fireworks, but they blow things up, they're single use, they make things catch on fire, and they scare animals. So what we're trying to do is create something creatively more interesting, green, because we use renewable energy sources, and we don't scare the animals.
According to sustainability site Treehugger, 4th of July fireworks give off more than 60,000 metric tons of CO2 every year, or around what 12,000 cars emit in a year, which is why more recently some nations have tried to limit how many fireworks are set off during special events. Hopkins says they can fly 300 drones at a time, moving them in tandem to create incredible moving images. But Hopkins says this is just the beginning, likening current drone displays to rudimentary computer graphics of days past. And in the future, with more drones and more advanced AI, they'll be able to create even better, higher resolution displays.